Exercise 39. It's a system of equations. If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of x? Like I keep saying, the easiest way for us, as long as the SAT exams concerned, the easiest way to solve any system without rearranging or without using any difficult processes of either elimination or substitution is do directly Desmos. So we will go on Desmos. Let me bring it out. So we will go, sorry for that, we will go here and I will plug in the two equations without the need of rewriting them anyhow. So 5x plus 4y is 11, then y is negative 6. We need the solution to that system. Solution means graphically the point of intersection, which is down there. That point is the point with coordinates 7 and negative 6. We need the value of x. So the value of x of the point of intersection of these two graphs is 7. So the right answer for this would have been 7.